Today I'm going to show you how to customize your quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. So our quick access toolbar is right over here at the top, above this ribbon. So it will show you whatever you add in here. Now to customize this, you can go over to File, come down to Options, and in Word Options you'll see Quick Access Toolbar. Now on the right hand side, this is what's currently displaying. On the left hand side is all the buttons that you can add in. So quite simply, all you need to do is use this drop down menu and look for the type of command you're looking for. Or you can just click on all commands. It'll show you literally everything. Go down, look for what you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on it. Now once you've clicked on it, click on add. It will come in over here. And once you're done, click on OK. And it'll show up right over here at the top on the left hand side. Now, if you'd like to toggle this on and off, you can go over here to this little arrow. It'll show you a drop down menu, and here you can click on either hide or show quick access toolbar.